People, wagwan. Welcome back to the channel. So in today's news, it's a very sad affair where there's a lot of rain wash the entire island of Jamaica right now. The whole place a flood out. And in this very unfortunate situation, we hear from the sister of this man who unfortunately passed away in this terrible weather wagwan, and our niece is also missing. Before me even go into the video and show you guys what go on, may I beg you no, please try and help each other out there. Also try and make sure you keep safe, because the thing is, water is not a pretty thing. Fire is not a pretty thing. And as you can see, the whole place a flood out. Them need to make sure that them clean out the drains, because there's a lot of drains in Jamaica that is polluted with rubbish and all sort of sin thing. And it's not pretty at all, it's not easy at all for the people them. But without any further ado, me just gonna make una hear what the sister have to say in this very unfortunate situation.
My name is Miss Mary Leachman, and this is the Romeo Leachman, and early this morning around 7:30, there is a stone wall outside our home, otherwise my brother home, and while I was there trying to get the water out of my house, it seems as the stone wall with the banking came down on my brother's house. It took everything, also cover my brother. I don't know what.
Describe for me what you heard.
I heard boop, but I went outside to look because I think it was the front of the wall touring down. But my next door neighbor, same time running up and started to cry, Rosie, the whole of your brother house gone. Me turn idiot. So me run come out and me I look, me see my brother house. So me start run up and down and I look for the house. So by running up and down and I look for the house, me don't see it. So me went over and me look the house down at the next lady home. That is Miss Mac house. So we come back down the hill, went round and went through her again. There I saw my brother bed, some of his clothes. I came there with a flat screen, and it was also done at Miss Mac house, while I wish it was the flat screen cover, not my brother. But it was my brother. While I will scream out, sister came and help us, and we get to find my brother, but I'll know we don't find him.
Tell me about the issue with the stone wall.
Well, before I came in, my brother always complaining about water coming through the stone wall. Them letting water through the stone wall down, and man, they keep on let the banking come down and stuff like that. And that's it. The first time one side of the yard happened, it was the same stone wall that happens to lick down one side, but it didn't make damage to my house. But it covered my furniture and stuff like that.
You were describing that water was coming through your house this morning. Talk about that.
The water was coming from the back of the house, through the house, and it was flooding the house. So it was trying to get away the dirt and stuff from behind the house, so that the water could stop. But right now we stopped because we are doing something else. We are looking for my brother and my niece.
And tell me about how you're feeling now.
Miss, have you ever heard about a walking dead? Well, I am a walking dead, walking right now. It's like I have no breath, I have no feeling, but trying to keep up.
Tell me about your brother and your niece.
My brother was a very nice person. He's hurt sometime, but he was nice, because last night I was talking about eating some breadfruit at 1:30 this morning. And my niece, she gave a little too trouble. Long and then me have to put in complete. Her talk like a harder for very bright girl from she small. Some 100, some big 100, still get her big 100. Reach her Queens. She didn't want to become a bank accountant or something like that. She don't get her dreams. Her dreams have closed in 2020. I wish our dreams could carry on. While the banking was there and I saw my brother, I was wishing that she went out of the house early in the morning and went somewhere. Some friend goes to charge her phone because we don't have any light. She have class this morning. So what I was hoping that she was at a friend's house, but while searching, she's not. And she's not at her grandmother because there's an auntie here. So she's not here. So we are convinced she is in the house.
Tell me about your situation. Do you feel safe going back to your house?
No, I am not feel safe. No, I am not feel safe going back to my house. I am not feel safe.
Thank you.